Okay, so we have now our Dussack blade with a lot of holes drilled into it. What I also did was I went again over the band grinder on a very low angle to get rid of the little excess which you get when you drill into the leather. And now it feels totally smooth, and the holes are there, and I can begin to stitch. So what I use for stitching is, or tools that you need, is a leather nadel. What is a needle? Yeah, you need a leather needle. A leather needle is not pointy. Okay, so it's like rounded. This helps when you stitch this. From the length of the thread is you take 7 times the length of the Dussack, and then you will get a good length with not much excess material. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good. So, oops. It's not sharp. Yeah, it's not sharp here. Okay. Another tool that can help with stitching, but you don't need it if you don't have it, or if you can't build it yourself. We call this a so-called Sattlerkloben, and it's for you, so you can see more easily what I do here. So usually you can sit on this thing, and so you have the piece between your legs and can just stitch. It helps. Now I use it on my workbench so that we can get some nice shots here. So what I do is I put it in here, and now my blade is fixed here, and then I take my my thread into half. So I take the ends of the thread, tip the ends of the thread, and then I split it into half. So, oh no, I'll do this in a second again. We have to. Oh no, I did something wrong. So I have to begin up here. So like that. So I begin at the top of the Dussack, and I go to the last hole, and one thread through it, and now I split the thread into two equal lengths. So take both ends into the hand, and then pull it through until they are equal. Okay. Then be careful to not pull it through when you begin stitching the one side. And I first go through the whole process here, and then I go with the thread from the other side through it. You could also do this with 2 needles at the same time, but I found that you are faster if you do with only with one needle on one side. Okay, so you see here we stitched this ready. Maybe one little detail for the end. So I begin with the complete thread where it can be seen in the beginning. So at the top when I build Dussack, and then I stitch down to where the grip is, and here I make like a little angle in the stitch, and I go through here in the end and just make a knot. So should be easy as this. So I so that it doesn't open, I use it 3 times. Ups. Okay, und jetzt habe ich das durchgerissen. Gut. Da war das wohl nicht stark genug. Okay, and now you can see here this last part. This last part of the stitching will be under and inside the grip. It's somewhere here. Okay.